Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Big news for all you airplane fans out there. Argentina's Air Force just got a major upgrade with some awesome new jets, F-16S. On December 16th, 2024, they got their very first F-16 Fighting Falcon straight from Denmark. This is a huge deal because it means Argentina can fly supersonic jets again after almost 10 years. The F-16 hitched a ride on a C-130 Hercules transport plane, landing in El Palomar before going to Tandil for assembly. Defense Minister Luis Petri says this is the most important purchase for national defense in a long time. He says it's crucial for protecting their country and airspace. This first jet is part of a deal with Denmark for 24 used F-16S. The deal costs about $300 million and is supported by the US. The first one, an F-16B with 2 seats, will be used to train pilots and crews. The rest, called Block 15S, will start arriving in 2025. They're expecting 6 next year and the rest by 2028. This is a big jump forward for Argentina's Air Force, which has had a tough time getting new planes lately. These F-16S will make Argentina's air defenses stronger and support ground troops from the air. So there you have it. A huge win for Argentina's Air Force, making their skies safer and more powerful. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any updates on Argentina's exciting new air power.